Outbound can feel overwhelming. You try a tool, get a few replies, and then it dies, and you're back to square one, never feeling in control. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest, most predictable outbound system you can run on LinkedIn using Cloud Code. And it's nothing but 3 layers that can greatly improve your connection rate and your account health. Hi, my name is Cynthia. I built an AI platform that does your LinkedIn outreach with email. You can run it yourself or white label it under your own brand. And now let's build the system. Layer 1 is multi-channel reach. Instead of one account on one channel, you should run several LinkedIn accounts plus cold email in parallel, all under the same daily limits. Meaning that you should have multiple LinkedIn accounts, multiple emails to rotate, so that each LinkedIn account sends no more than 25 messages per day. And also, for the same person, they can feel that they get multiple touch from you. For example, you send the LinkedIn connection message in the morning, when in the afternoon you send them an email. They already have some kind of impression that this person has already reached out. And if you want to add an extra layer, you can even have a call on the next day. And with LinkedIn Claude MCP, you can arrange all of them in one day or two. Layer 2 is a supply of warm leads from real buying signals. This is the part where most people skip, and it matters the most. You can send the same message to group 1 and group 2 and have a very different reply rate. And the only difference here is not the message, but the signals. And what a signal means is essentially people who already showing intent. For example, this person has engaged with a competitor's post within the past 24 hours, or someone hiring for a role that implies the problem that you solve, or anyone showing up in the topic your buyers talk about. The signal shown in the past 24 hours is much better than the ones in the past week or past months. So you really need a system that monitor for a signal 24/7 instead of doing it manually. And layer 3 is AI diagnosis. The system watches every campaign and tells you where it's leaking, whether that's a low reply rate on one segment or an opener that's dragging. So instead of rewriting everything blind, you get pointed straight at what to fix. You always want to know what broke and what to change next. Summary of the 3 layers: reach, supply, and diagnose. And you don't have to babysit a dashboard to run any of it. LinkedIn plugs into Cloud Code through MCP, so you just need to tell Claude in plain English what you want to achieve. Ask it for a full audit of your entire outbound, and it comes back with one prioritized fix. Once you have all of the 3 layers running, I can guarantee that you will see a much better acceptance rate and conversion rate on both LinkedIn and email. And here's the part where people love. In this setup, the human only does the part that humans are best at, the conversation. Meaning you only need to pick up the call and build the relationship from there. Everything upstream of that is grunt work, and grunt work is exactly what you hand to the system. Finding the signals and building the list. Personalizing the first line at scale, sending notes across accounts, and chasing follow-ups so a real interested buyer never gets buried. So quick recap, outbound breaks in 3 places. It doesn't scale, it's unstable, and you can't see what's wrong. The fix is one system with 3 layers: multi-channel reach, a warm supply from real buying signals, and AI that diagnoses every campaign. That combination gives you a predictable weekly rates of leads and meetings. And if you're an agency, you can white label the whole thing and sell it at your own price. If you want to check out the system yourself or want to book a call with me, feel free to check out the links below.